Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute baby. So here you can see that I'm using my brown pen to draw a cute baby. Here's its ears and the tiny hair. Here's its eyes and the big smiley mouth. And here's its leg. And this is its hands. The baby is trying to catch its toys. Now for the coloring, I'm using my cyan pen. And I'm using my pink pen. And I'm using my yellow pen. Cyan again. And I'm using my red pen. Now I will be using a pale orange color to color its skin. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.